2020 is about to pass. What have we been through? We tried to look back by searching 2020. Some results made us cry. Some inspired excitement. Others, regret.
Announced the games will now start on July 23rd of 2020.
This year might show us its worst, but we still made too much progress. When it comes to our city, if we try to search Chengdu Plus 2020,
我们全村的医务工作者是你们的坚强后盾。
世界大学生夏季运动会倒计时1周年系列活动。
This year, Chengdu Plus has witnessed and recorded every meaningful moment of the city.
武汉，等你好了，就算你不喊，我们也要坐在武汉街头吃碗热干面。
Is China in Europe? No. You drink 20 liters of hot water, cure anything. Do Chinese use toilet paper? What the?
And my hamburger. My food delivery is here. The delivery fee was 8 yuan. The first time that I had food delivery on a high-speed railway.
这里是为了大优惠叫志愿者，你们感兴趣的话可以看一下这里，二维码可以扫一下。
快小派，
我在哪？
请识别我的脸。
没兴趣，再见。
小派，请带我看看。
知道了。
Look, look, look. This is Sichuan University's large, big northern gate. Now, hello everyone. My name is Oni Mayor.
第二机场分为南北2个航站区，2个区域又各含2座航站楼。
Hi guys, it's Vicky here. Welcome to my channel.
First human settlement in Chengdu was built 4,000
different countries have taught me that
largest e-commerce Chengdu.
What we have experienced this year makes us stronger. We don't know if 2021 will be a better year, but it's worth expecting. Chengdu Plus will be always by your side and share every beautiful moment with you.